MXGP faced its first genuine sandy challenge of 2024 at the Grand Prix of Sardegna, delving into the rough and rippled Riola Sardo terrain for the third round of the 2024 season. Bull KTM Factory Racing celebrated a podium finish in MXGP with Jeffrey Herlings clinching third place aboard his KTM 450 SXF, while Liam Everts showcased an impressive performance in MX2, securing fifth place aboard the KTM 250 SXF. Two-time MXGP World Champion Jeffrey Herlings made his first podium appearance since the Grand Prix of Latvia in early June 2023. His third-place finish positions the Dutchman third in the standings, 49 points behind the leader. Liam Everts achieved fifth place overall with a strong performance in the second Moto, finishing fourth, while Sacha Coenen claimed ninth overall and secured both MX2 holeshots aboard the KTM 250 SXF. Despite a disqualification in the second Moto, MX2 World Champion Andrea Adamo displayed a determined performance, ranking 12th overall for the day. The challenging Riola Sardo sand provided a demanding test for riders and machines alike. Jeffrey Herlings showcased resilience despite battling discomfort from a practice fall, securing two third-place finishes in MXGP. Looking ahead, MXGP continues its Italian journey with Round 4 heading to the Pietremurata hardpack in Arco di Trento for the Grand Prix of Trentino in the following week. Herlings expressed satisfaction with his podium return, acknowledging the challenges faced during the GP weekend. Liam Everts reflected on a difficult weekend but remained optimistic for improvement in Trentino. Sacha Coenen highlighted the positives of strong starts despite challenges, aiming for better performances in upcoming rounds. Andrea Adamo, though disappointed with the disqualification, looks forward to bouncing back in Arco. The press release also provided a summary of the MXGP and MX2 results, with Jorge Prado and Kay de Wolf emerging victorious in their respective classes. As MXGP shifts focus to Trentino, anticipation builds for another thrilling round of competition amidst the epic Dolomite mountain landscape.